All right, guys. Hi, this is Mr. G, Mr. Garcia. So we are continuing 1.2. Okay, we're on lesson two. Um, and the essential question was, what are the different components of a power? Okay, and that's what I'm going to give you today. So we are on example number 2. We already did this. If you didn't see this, this is on another video. So you need to have this copied first. Okay, so let's go on to example number 2. There it is, so you guys can see it. Oops. All right. So example number 2. A product of a repeated of repeat a product of repeated factors can be expressed as a product of repeated factors can be expressed as a power. This is a power. Okay. The blank tells how many times the base is used as a factor. The blank tells how many times the base is used as a factor. So right here is the exponent. Okay, the exponent. Okay, so this is the exponent, el exponente, and this is the base. Okay, let me make it a different color. The base. Okay, so this means, you've seen this before, so this means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. How many times did I write it? 5 times. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Okay? We'll get to what it equals later. But this is broken down. It's two parts to a power. There's an exponent and there's a base. Now let's answer the questions on the side here. So how do you write and say a power if the exponent is 1? So this is first power. If the exponent is 2, second power. If the exponent is 3, third power. What would this one be? This one would be fifth power, right? 2 to the fifth power. Okay, that means it's written 5 times. All right, let's go on to example number 3. All right, so in example number 3, we're going to fill in this table. Okay, if you think you know how to do this, guys, you can go ahead and do the first 2. Okay, but if you think you're still not getting it, then just keep watching the video. If you think you got it, then just fast forward the video a little bit so you can get to these 2. Okay, so here we go. So on this one is 3 to the 4th. 3 to the 4th. So the way you look at it is like this one. So this one, the base was down here. This one, this is the base. So the base is 3 and the exponent is 4. And now let's expand it. Okay, let's expand it. So it's going to be written like this: 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Okay. Now, when you put this in the calculator or you actually do this, 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. What's 9 times 9? 81. Now, if you actually put this into a calculator, you'll get this answer. But you need to understand where it comes from, okay? All right, next one. X to the 6th power. X to the 6th power. Make sure you say it out loud to yourself too. X to the 6th power. So it looks like the base is X and the power is 6. So it looks like we're going to write the x's 6 times. X, 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 X. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, Since there is no value, we don't know what x is, we just rewrite it again as x to the 6th. We're good. Okay, next one. So this is the base and this is the exponent. So the base is -5 and the exponent is 3. Okay. So this would be -5 times -5 times -5. Now, because this has a parentheses, make sure you put a parentheses on all of them, okay? Okay, now here comes the negatives again, okay? So -5 times -5 is positive 25. And then positive 25 times -5, you're going to get a negative answer. So your answer is going to be -125. Okay, now if I'm going too fast, guys, make sure you rewind it, okay, or watch it again. You should be copying this down on your paper. Okay, next one, which is the last one. So the base is -5, and then the exponent is 4. So this is going to be -5 times -5 times -5 times -5. So it has one more -5 than the top one. So what you can do is you can multiply this times the -5. So see how this one had 3 of them and this one has 4? So we already know the answer to 3 of them, right? Which is this one right here. We already know that. So we can put the answer right here, -125 times -5. Now, a negative times a negative is a positive. So you're going to put your answer right here. And your answer is 625. Easy. Now, one habit that I want you guys to do is I want you guys to always answer, circle your answers. So this one's, there's your answer. Oops. There's your answer. There's your answer. And then on this one, there's your answer. Exponents are going to be pretty easy, guys. Okay? So you'll get a quizzes on this right now in a little bit. All right, guys.